What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Cache of the Day. We are out here at the harbor. It is around Rockwall area. We're stationed in Texas, so super hot today. We decided to actually do a night caching trip. It is sunset right now. We are going to knock out a few caches and we'll see you out there. Let's do it. Found it. There it is.
Oh wow, that's small.
All right, guys, we made it to the end of the night. I think it was pretty fun though. Please, if you haven't already, please subscribe. All our new subscribers, welcome. Existing subscribers, welcome back. We will see you guys in the next one. All right, happy hunting.